Hi, this is Kat with Beadaholique, and in this video I'm going to show you how to embellish sequin chain using gemstone beads. Now this is the sequin chain here, often referred to as possibly charm chain or link and connector chain, but it's just got those really beautiful gold discs. So we are going to be embellishing that with some gemstone beads. And you can see that I have a length started here, so I'm just using some carnelian beads, and I love that these beads, they almost look like little pomegranate seeds, just really, really sweet. So we are going to be just continuing on in our piece here. So the very first thing that we're going to need to do is we're going to take an eye pin and we're going to slide on one of our gemstone beads there. And then we can come in with our round nose pliers, and what we're going to do is we're just going to bend that wire backwards, wrap it up and over the top, bring it around, and then come in with our flush cutters here and trim that off. So now we can attach this by opening up the little loop there with our chain nose pliers. Again, just bending that backwards, and come to the side here that has one of our little coins attached, loop that on, and then we can just come in here and just close that up. Now to continue there, we can come into our chain with our flush cutters there, cut off one extra of the little pieces, and then we can come to our end here, again just focusing on opening up that simple wire loop and sliding our little charm on. And there you go, and you can just continue in that same manner to make as long a length as you need. But this is a really fun, easy technique and a great way to use up some beads, some gemstones, whatever you have on hand to create a whole brand new look. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. You can get all of these supplies and see even more tutorial videos by heading over to beadaholique.com.